arrived at Nadi International Airport, which is currently
following activities: establishment of Grava
demonstration, farmers, heads and representing to welcome you all, and particularly to welcome our chief.
The assistant ministers, Commissioner Western, permanent secretaries, ladies and gentlemen, Bulaminaka. It's nice to be here, especially the sunny side of Fiji. I'm so glad to spend this morning here at the Tokotoka South Torotoro Trust Farm. I've been told that only 2 short years ago, much of this land sat idle and had so for more than 20 years. But the members of this land owning unit heard the vision we had for our sugar industry, and they saw it for themselves. They looked to the incredible assets they own, which is their land. And they looked within to their incredible drive, and now they have achieved incredible success through this joint venture with the Fiji Sugar Corporation. Today, just over 15 hectares of this farm are under cane, with 1,600 tons of cane expected to be harvested this year. 1,600 tons of cane. That's 105 tons per hectare. So not only is this land among our newest cane growing regions, it has set the cane per hectare harvesting record for 2020. Please put your hand together for that. In fact, I'm told a single land area of 1.7 hectares produced an astonishing 283 tons of cane. We anticipate a gross profit of $60,000 this year for this farm, with this new cash-generating vehicle projected to churn out upwards $325,000 in profits over the next 8-year cycle, 8-year period. Let that, my friends, show what a committed government and hardworking Fijians can do together. When it comes to growing cane, my government knows where our support matters most. We have guaranteed a price of $85 per ton. Despite what some people may be telling you, that full payment will be paid to our growers by the close of this season, as promised. We are also easing your cost burden by subsidizing fertilizer and weedicide. We are upgrading cane roads. We are covering cane cartage costs. We are investing in mechanization. We have built better, more productive mills. We are providing cane planting grants. And as we did here, we are providing technical expertise to landowners who pursue cane cultivation. All told, we have shown unprecedented level of commitment. But at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, it is growers who plant and harvest the cane. Your sweat and effort sustain this industry, as do the lorry drivers, our mill operators, our FSC staff, and our sugar researchers. Government's role is to create the right conditions for the industry to thrive. You all do the rest. And here at the Tokotoka South Torotoro Trust Farm, you have done a damn fine job of it. Your record-setting achievement holds lessons for every Fijian. When we see this land and we see the Fijians who have made such incredible use of it, we see the tremendous good we can create when government harnesses the drive and ambition of the people. As we contend with the economic devastation of the COVID-19 pandemic, your example shows us hard work still reaps rewards in Fiji. That gives us hope and it inspires us all. Fiji has contained the deadly coronavirus. We have kept our people safe. With thousands still dying by the day overseas, no one should take our good health for granted. But virus or not, we are still living through the worst economic catastrophe of our lifetimes. I always speak plainly with our cane growers and with Fijians all over Fiji. Good news or bad, I will always give it to you straight. I will never make a promise I'm not prepared to deliver. I'm not prepared to deliver. I will never pretend things are anything other than what they are. Things today are very, very tough. The world economy is on its knees. We have not seen so many jobs lost around the world so quickly since the Great Depression, long before Fiji was ever an independent country. And we cannot say for certain when things will begin getting better. No industry has been immune to the economic pain. As you know, we have not been able to operate our mechanized harvesters as efficiently as we'd like because technicians from India are stuck overseas. No community in Fiji has been spared either. We all know someone out of work or on reduced hours. Government is providing these Fijians with a steady flow of support. Nearly $50 million direct government assistance has already been distributed, and more is on the way. We are providing concessional loans to affected small and medium businesses. We are empowering out-of-work Fijians to put their specialized skills to use starting new macro enterprises. And despite government revenues plummeting, our full support to cane growers continues to press ahead. But the biggest mistake we can make in this moment would be to pretend government has every answer to every problem this pandemic has caused. This joint venture has proved that hardworking everyday Fijians have the answers as well. In this case, government set the stage for success, you growers did the rest. And by working hard, you created even more work for our people, hiring 15 Fijians to help with harvesting who are unemployed due to COVID-driven collapse of our tourism sector. Ladies and gentlemen, we know weathering this crisis will take hard work and lots of hard work, lots of it. But this joint venture goes to show it will also take new ideas. We must find new ways government and people can partner together to seize new opportunity. Thanks to our being COVID contained, we are one of the only nations on earth that can run our economy with relative freedom. Within our borders, Fijians can and must press ahead with our national progress. We can put more idle land to use. As we have seen here, we can grow cane. We can grow other crops as well. And I encourage all farmers, including our cane growers, to make use of idle land to do so. Where we can also support our businesses, our farmers, and our entrepreneurs by buying from Fijian companies and adding to the range Fijian-made products and services which we export around the world. No one can tell us when this pandemic will end, no one. But we know one day it will. We know one day our borders will reopen. We know one day our economy will see some version of normalcy. And we must be ready. We can make investments today to prepare for that future. Until that day arrives, like we have with this joint venture, Fijians must find strength in one another, for we are always stronger together. By working harder together, we do more than help ourselves. We help our country, we help our economy, and we help our fellow Fijians. Through thick and thin, your government years are always open to your challenges. I look forward to our consultations, as I look forward to the success of the Tokotoko Toro Trust Fund and of our sugar industry through the years ahead. Thank you and God bless you all.